everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a crucial accessory for anyone relying on their Plustek SmartOffice PS286 Plus document scanner, the GuiTech AC-DC adapter. This isn't just any power cord. It's a brand new replacement designed to keep your scanner running smoothly and safely. One of the first things to appreciate about this GuiTech adapter is its impressive versatility. With an input range of 100V to 240V, it's truly a worldwide compatible power solution. This means whether you're at home, in the office, or traveling internationally, you can power up your Plustek scanner without needing multiple adapters or worrying about voltage differences. That portability is a special feature highlighted by the brand, making it incredibly convenient for professionals on the go. Now, while it's important to note that this is a brand new replacement and not an original Plustek adapter, GuiTech has clearly prioritized safety and performance. The adapter comes equipped with a robust set of protection features. We're talking about over-voltage output protection, over-current output protection, and short-circuit output protection. These aren't just buzzwords. They're essential safeguards that protect your valuable scanner from potential electrical damage, giving you peace of mind during operation. Nobody wants to fry their expensive equipment, and GuiTech seems to understand that perfectly. Beyond safety, efficiency is another key aspect where this adapter shines. It boasts high power exchange efficiency, which is crucial for controlling the working temperature of the unit. This means the adapter itself won't overheat, contributing to its stable operation and potentially extending its lifespan. A cool running adapter is a happy adapter, and a happy adapter means a reliably powered scanner. The connectivity technology is Powerline, and it uses a standard plug connector type, making it straightforward to use. While the general compatibility lists tablets, monitors, speakers, and printers, the primary focus here, as indicated by the product name, is its perfect fit for the Plustek SmartOffice PS286 Plus. It's always wise, as the package note reminds us, to double-check compatibility before ordering, but for the PS286 Plus, this GuiTech adapter is specifically designed to be a seamless fit. In the package, you'll find one adapter charger, ready to go. It's a simple, no-frills offering that delivers exactly what it promises: reliable, safe, and efficient power for your document scanner. For anyone needing a dependable replacement or a spare power supply for their Plustek SmartOffice PS286 Plus, this GuiTech AC-DC adapter presents itself as a strong contender, offering robust features at what is typically a more accessible price point than OEM parts, without compromising on essential protections or performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.